All right, now I'm on page 372 of the Go Math textbook. Let's do another example. So the table shows the relationship between the number of bicycles, Y, Sean has left to assemble, and the number of hours, X, he has worked. Graph the relationship represented by the table and find the unknown value of Y. Okay, so we can see here, this is our X, this is our Y. We're using this table. So we have created ordered pairs here, 0, 10, 1, 8, 2, we don't know yet, 3, 4, 4, 2. Okay, so let's write these as ordered pairs. So our first one, X is 0, Y is 10. Our next one, X is 1, Y is 8. Our next one that we know, because we don't know the 2 yet. Okay, we don't know what the value is yet, so we're not going to write that ordered pair. We can't graph it yet until we have 2 points. So our next one that we're going to graph is 3, 4, and then 4, 2. Okay, and remember, it's always the X value first and then the Y. X value first, comma, then the Y. Okay, always X first. And when you're graphing, your X is always horizontal and your Y is in the sky. Okay, Y goes up. All right, so when X is 0, Y is 10. So see, they put a dot there. When X is 0, Y is 10. Now when X is 1, if I go over to 1, Y is 8. So I go up to 8. I graph my next point there. When X is 3, Y is 4. So I'm going to go from 3 up to 4. And when X is 4, Y is 2. I graph my point there. Okay, so now you can see we have another linear equation here, meaning that the points form a straight line, and I'm going to try to graph this as best as I can, or show this line the best I can. Uh-oh. My screen isn't liking how many points I have on the, there we go, that's a little better. Okay, so we can kind of see, now again, it's going to be easier for you guys. I would use the rulers that I have to make your line, but you can see here when X is 2, Y must be 6 if it follows this line, which all the other points do. So we must be able to predict that when X is 2, like it is up here in your chart, take a look at your chart, when X is 2, the Y point should be on 6. Okay. Find the Y value. The points on the graph appear to lie on a line. Use a ruler to draw a dashed line through the points. Well, I drew a solid line, but dashed would be fine as well. Use the line to find the Y value that corresponds to the X value on the 2. So that's what I did. I went to the 2, and then I went up till I hit the line, which I hit the line right at where 6 is on the Y-axis. Start at the origin, move 2 units to the right, did that. Move up until you reach the line, did that. Then move left to find the Y value. Here's the Y value. Okay. When X has a value of 2, Y has a value of 6. So after 2 hours, Sean has 6 bicycles left to assemble. Describe another way you could find the unknown value of Y in the table. I could have found the rule. Find the rule or equation. Rule, equation, basically the same thing. Okay, I'm using those two words interchangeably there. Okay, so it appears they're taking X and minusing what? or excuse me, x. What are they doing to x? Oh, I see. Maybe we wouldn't, we'd find the pattern. So let's change that because I don't see a clear, well, I'm sure there is, I'm just not seeing it. But there is definitely a pattern. The x's are going up by 1 and the y's are going down by 2. So find the pattern. Find the pattern. Y decreases by 2, x is increasing by 1 each time. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.